Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Kuta on a street called Jalan Raya Kuta, and what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is an accommodation called Rhadana Hotel. Okay, so for all of those of you all around the world that are real big Beatles fans, this video may be of interest to you. Today I'm here at the Rhadana and I'm going to share with you a Beatles themed room. Okay, so here's a view of the Rhadana from across the street. Here's a close-up on the Rhadana. The rooms along the side there. Just take you up the steps now. Seating area here at the front. So to the side there. Just as we step foot inside, there's a main reception desk area at the back, some seating areas here for guests, and this is the restaurant area where you're going to be served your breakfast. Okay, so we take you around and show you inside. So as we step foot in the room, we've got a very unique backdrop with the Beatles motif on the wall there. We have a double bed, also in the Beatles theme, bedside cabinets on either side of the bed. Also have bedside lighting on either side of the bed, also here. Just on the opposite side of the bed, you can see we're continuing on with the Beatles theme on the wall. A yellow submarine theme, all the Beatles motifs there. And we also have a flat screen TV, local channels provided, Wi-Fi is also provided. Just moving along, we have a desk stroke dressing table area, huge wooden frame mirror, wooden desk, glass top, synthetic chair, soft cushion seating. So next to the desk you have a small refrigerator, also provided with a kettle, water, cups, tea, coffee, sugar. Just over by the window there you have a bench style seated area. That's another angle on the room. Down here we have a safety deposit box, that's a laptop style safety deposit box. Just up on the wall here you have more Beatles memorabilia. You have records all around the ceiling also, all with the Beatles name on. And just over on the far side there is your air conditioning. So we have an open closet here with a metal rail, wooden coat hangers. Have some shelving down below, and then just as we step foot inside the bathroom you're greeted by a huge mirror. There's your wash basin, everything's immaculately clean, provided with toiletries, water, tissue box, power point on the wall. Just behind the door as we enter the bathroom is your toilet. You also have a bum wash. Just on the right hand side as we walked in the bathroom, and next to the sink is a walk-in glass shower cubicle. So you have a glass panel, you have a handheld shower. Everything's immaculately clean. Okay, so just for the main reception desk area, we're going to walk through the corridor down to the swimming pool area. We have elevators on the side here to all the floors. We have the door here, and there's a swimming pool area. This is a shallow pool, we have a step down into the pool there. Some wooden sun lounges at the back here. Here we have some steps down into the pool and a seating area. There's a cascading water feature. The name on the back there. Some synthetic chairs, synthetic tables. And there's a swimming pool. Beautiful cascading water feature. There's trees. The cascading water feature there.